Share with us
Hi.
more. How do you get this amazing result? How do you get started on the program?
I like Sydney. I'm a mother. My son is 12, and I'm actually entering my 40s like really soon. Yeah. So yeah, how did I get started? So it all begins during MCO. I think it was 2 years ago, and yeah, because we were all stuck at home, and then no outdoor activities, and yeah, basically just home every day lah. So being a stay-at-home mom as well, where our schedule is always just about our children and also houseworks and endless work at home. So yeah, we start to forget about our own health, and we start to forget ourselves. We don't practice self-love. Everything is just about the home and our kids. So it's when yeah, I started gaining weight throughout MCO, and because right after giving birth, weight wasn't my issue all these years. So I always thought I can maintain my weight very well, and I always eat really clean. So I'm not the kind where I indulge in a lot of like fried foods or fast food and things like that. So all these years I thought, okay, I have maintained my weight very well. It's only during MCO I started gaining a lot of weight. Somehow I don't know how. I still eat the same, but just constantly 6 kilos in just a few months. So the more I wanted to cut down on my food, the more I try skipping meals, and then I take like detox drinks and things like that. That's when yeah, my weight started like gaining more and more, and then I started having more problems like constipation and stomach bloatedness. So just this one time, my brother suddenly just shared his photos on my family group chat. So my brother is Yiming. So he suddenly just shared his
Here's your brother.
transformation. He suddenly just shared his transformation one day on the family group chat, because during MCO we didn't meet. So it's like 6 months I've never seen him. Suddenly he popped. Then like, wow, what happened? It's like he suddenly from 103 kilo, right? And suddenly lost 20 over kilos in yeah, that 6 months. So I was like, what do you do? What have you been doing? Because he haven't been sharing with us. So yeah, that's why I asked him like, what have you been doing? And yeah, that's how I got started, and I found out about wellness expert. Yeah, that's why I said just get me into the program, and because I want to lose weight so desperately. And yeah, that's how I started, and the whole thing was like
So
it was amazing.
it's amazing to have brother and sisters together on the program. You also have got one more sister that is on the program, which is like sibling, right? Three of you getting in shape together and also eating right together and on the program together. I want to find out from everybody, just feedback to me if you can see the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see that.
Yes, can?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. Yes. Now, Angelyn, just like Sydney, right? Like your before, there is nothing much. Like many moms would already be satisfied with this result. So what were you after that you wanted to get better shape when you see Yiming, after you've seen Yiming's results?
What I wanted was actually to tone up, not really about like drastic kind of weight loss. Not, of course, not 20 kilos because I'll be flying like paper. So it's like, yeah, I just wanted to learn and get started into a program where I know how to eat right, and then to also work out, because I used to do a lot of yoga as well, but it doesn't seem to work a lot with my schedule. So I stopped. And then, yeah, this whole program here, it's just good for me because it's online. Because I've done everything online. I haven't been to the gym that throughout 6 months. So I actually get like these results just at home, just staying at home by staying at home.
Seriously, and also joining our Lifestyle Hub.
Yes, I just joined the Lifestyle Hub. I work out like once or twice a week. And yeah, I cannot imagine even working out at home, you can get abs as well. So people like ask, how do you get the abs? Have you been like really hardcore doing gym at home? Oh no, I mean at the gym, I said, no, I've just been working out and not really, not really doing much weight and stuff. So it's like,
So
yeah, they
as
all
a
call it now
mom,
the accidental abs.
you're a mom, and also you're really, really busy. You need to juggle with mommy roles. How do you manage getting in shape at the same time doing the meals, at the same time attending our lifestyle hub sessions? How do you manage?
Okay, one thing is I learned how to set my priorities for myself for once. So yeah, I just set my time like, okay, I need to work out this week at this time. So yeah, I bring my son along with me during workout sometimes. So yeah, we kind of bond during the workout as well. So we do enjoy the lifestyle hub and also all the recipe sharings and all the masterclass that is all done online. That's why it works. The schedule actually works so much easier for me because I don't need to actually go out to the gym.
And this is your makeover project photo shoots, and you've
Yes,
gone through like 2 seasons of our makeover project.
it's so addictive.
And you are on the 3rd season of makeover project now. Now
Yes.
look at you back then.
Yeah, that's me and my brother. That's like I think
Yes.
20, I think more than 10 or 15 years back.
So
Yeah,
this
we
is
were,
your other sister that also joined in the makeover
yeah,
project. So it was like a family, right? And of course, your son is your best supporter now. Like
my
coach.
buddy now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these are your amazing meals that you have prepared. It's always very, very colorful. You put a lot of you put a lot of effort into it to make yourself happy as well. Even for coaches that do the meal reviews, we can see that how much you're enjoying the 10-day lean and tone program. So tell us more. What do you enjoy in the 10-day lean and tone program that you join us season after season after season?
I guess every season you learn different things. Every season there will be new things because we have a lot of participants who join us. And yeah, based on all the postings, food postings, that's where you get more ideas of what you can eat and then what you cannot eat. And the meal reviews is actually an eye-opening for me because that's where I learn all the nutritions and also all the different kind of foods that will react to your body if it's not the right kind of food. So yeah, even now, the food that I cook, my son will eat as well. So the whole family eats the same kind of food. And even if my mom, because us siblings, right? Three of us is in the season. So my mom sees us posting food. She started making her own kind of healthy breakfast and also her own food as well. And she posted her food in our group chat and asked us, is this correct? So we're like, oh, coaching her and also telling her what to eat. So
It's
she's like,
wonderful. It's
yeah, it is.
wonderful to have this learning and also this knowledge. Besides just taking care of ourselves, we start to
Yeah, it's,
inspire our children, right? And
yes.
also our parents. It's amazing.
Exactly.
And tell us more, like you have also inspired quite a number of friends and family to join in as well in the program.
Yeah,
Um,
because
how do you do it?
I was excited of with the results. So I started posting a lot of my pictures, my makeover project, and that's when friends started seeing like changes and the transformation. Then they started asking, "Hey, what program are you in?" And then I did share some of my meals as well. So yeah, they're actually quite curious, like what have you been doing? I mean, you're losing weight, but the amount of food that I see, you used to eat like really small portion of food, but now I see like it's like what big plate of uh like really full portion and with carbs and things like that. So yeah, they all see the changes and they ask like how this program works. That's how I share and I introduce them to my coaches. Yeah, so they all love the program. Sydney was one of them, and I'm so happy that she enjoyed the whole journey.
What
Yeah.
would your words of encouragement be for some of us that just joined the 10-day lean and tone? or moms or dads that want to embark on a journey, or even singletons that want to join the healthy active lifestyle?
I think you can practice just a little bit of self-love for yourself, prioritize your time, and just love yourself more. And your family will eventually support you, and they will enjoy the same kind of program that you love as well. So
thank you so
that's
much,
it.
Angelyn. Amazing results. I can't wait to see your body transformation challenge as
I'm
well.
looking
Right?
forward
Yes,
to that.
Angelyn is on our body transformation challenge.